Hi guys, are you planning a trip in Guwahati anytime soon and really confused where you should be staying? Don't worry, we've got you completely covered. In this video, we're going to be bringing you to the top 10 best Oyo hotels in Guwahati with the cheapest booking code so you can get the best hotel deal at the best price. We've also compiled a list of the best luxury hotels in Guwahati. In case if you're interested, you can also check it out in our description box below. Oyo Hotel Green Valley. This is a 2-star hotel which is easily accessible from the airport. Since it is conveniently located, it also makes it very easy for public transportation and also to access all the tourist attractions and activities. They provide a number of on-site features to make sure that you have a very comfortable and memorable stay. This hotel has an in-house restaurant which serves Chinese, Indian and local cuisine. They also have an amazing spread of breakfast every morning at this hotel, provides Asian and continental buffet breakfast. The rooms are extremely comfortable and spacious and they're also very well equipped with all the essential amenities. The pricing of the rooms here start from 1,500 rupees onwards. You can also check out the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Oyo Townhouse Eureka Grand. This hotel is located in an ideal spot from where you can discover Guwahati. They make sure that your stay is extremely comfortable and offers a number of facilities to satisfy your soul. This hotel has an in-house meeting room which is perfect for hosting any type of conferences or meeting events. So we definitely recommend for those of you visiting Guwahati on a business trip and looking out for a budgeted Oyo hotel. They also have an in-house restaurant which serves a variety of cuisine. The rooms here are very spacious and very bright and lively. You can also enjoy the beautiful city view from your rooms itself. Pricing of the rooms here start from 1,900 rupees onwards and you can select them according to your budget. Oyo Hotel President. This hotel is located in Fancy Bazaar and can easily access the lively city. It totally lies up to the expectations with all the wonderful services and facilities that the hotel provides. It gives you a completely homely feeling, a home away from home kind of stay. This hotel has an in-house bar, a restaurant and also barbecue services. They also have a meeting room which is perfect for hosting any type of conferences or meetings. All the rooms here are very comfortable and spacious and they're extremely well equipped with all the essential amenities. You can also enjoy the beautiful city view from your rooms itself. Pricing of the rooms here start from 1,500 rupees onwards and you can select them according to your budget. Oyo Silpukari Bus Stop. This hotel is located in Paltan Bazaar, which is the city's most popular location. From this hotel, it makes it very easy for public transportation and also easily accessible to all the tourist attractions and activities. They provide amazing facilities and services to their guests. They also provide the highest degree of comfort and convenience because of their location. They have an in-house restaurant which provides Indian, Chinese and local cuisine and the food is extremely delicious. They also have a 24-hour room service facility available. You can also enjoy the wide spread of breakfast available every morning at this hotel. All the rooms here are very spacious and extremely well equipped with a flat screen TV, AC, a separate seating area, a wardrobe and a private bathroom with toiletries. If you're looking out for a top-class comfortable Oyo hotel, this is one of the hotels we definitely recommend. The pricing of the rooms here start from 2,600 rupees onwards and you can also select them according to your budget. Hotel VIP Regency. This is a very budget-friendly Oyo hotel located in Guwahati. The hotel provides all the necessary facilities and essential amenities to make sure that you have a very memorable stay. They have a 24-hour room service facility, a 24-hour front desk, a free Wi-Fi access all over the hotel. Unfortunately, this hotel does not have an in-house restaurant to dine in. They have breakfast available every morning which is available for in-room dining. The rooms here are extremely colorful and gives a very lively and bright feeling to you. All the rooms here are very well equipped with all the necessary amenities. The pricing of the rooms here start from 1,300 rupees onwards and you can select them according to your budget. We'd also love to welcome you to our exclusive travel club. In this travel club, we offer you some promos, deals and some exciting giveaways. If you'd like to join our travel club, you can also find a detailed information about how you can join this travel club at the end of the week. Oyo City Lodge. This hotel is located in one of the most convenient locations. It makes it very easily accessible for you to explore the city's towns, attractions and activities. They provide all the essential amenities to make sure that you have a very comfortable stay. This is one of the only Oyo hotels which has an in-house gym which is perfect for all you fitness conscious people. They also have an in-house restaurant which provides a 24-hour room service facility. All the rooms here are very well equipped with a separate seating area, a flat screen TV, AC, a fan and private bathroom with free toiletries. You can also enjoy the beautiful city view from your rooms itself. The pricing of the rooms here are extremely reasonable. The pricing starts from 1,300 rupees onwards and you can also select them according to your budget. Oyo Flagship Podar Inn. This is a 2-star hotel which is easily accessible from the airport. It's one of the ideal spots from where you can discover and explore Guwahati. The hotel provides all the essential amenities and facilities for their guests to make sure that you have a very comfortable stay. They have a 24-hour front desk facility, a free Wi-Fi access all over the hotel, and a 24-hour room service facility. Unfortunately, they do not have an in-house restaurant where you can dine in, but you can definitely enjoy their in-room dining menu. All the rooms here are very well equipped with a comfortable bed, separate seating area, a TV, AC, and private bathroom with free toiletries. The rooms here are priced at about 1,300 rupees onwards, and you can select them according to your budget. Oyo Sri Krishna Guest House. This hotel is conveniently located in the city center, which makes it very easy for public transportation and also to all the tourist attractions. The hotel has friendly staff and provides quality services for their guests. This is one of the one-stop destination for quality accommodation and services. They have an in-house restaurant and provides 24-hour room service serving Indian, Chinese, and local cuisines. All the rooms here are extremely well equipped and they're very spacious. The pricing of the rooms here start from 1,500 rupees onwards, and you can also select them according to your budget. Oyo Anjali Inn. This 2-star hotel provides all the basic facilities and amenities for their guests to make sure that you have a very memorable and comfortable stay. The hotel has an in-room dining service available, which also provides a 24-hour room service. Unfortunately, they do not have a restaurant where you can dine in. They also provide free Wi-Fi access all over the hotel for their guests. You can also enjoy the beautiful city views from your rooms itself. The rooms here are extremely spacious and colorful, and you can also enjoy the beautiful city view from your rooms itself. All the rooms here are very well equipped with a separate seating area, a TV, fan, AC, private bathroom with free toiletries. The pricing of the rooms here start from 1,300 rupees onwards, and you can also select them according to your budget. Oyo Vandana Classic. This hotel is located in Paltan Bazaar, which is one of the most popular locations in Guwahati. From this hotel, it makes it very easy for you to explore all the tourist spots. Public transportation is also extremely easy from this hotel. The in-house restaurant here serves Indian, Chinese, and local cuisine. They also have a 24-hour room service facility available. This is one of the few Oyo hotels in Guwahati which also has an in-house bar. All the rooms here are very well equipped with a separate seating area, a wardrobe, a private bathroom with free toiletries, AC, fan, and TV. The hotel makes sure that you have a very comfortable and memorable stay. The pricing of the rooms here start from 1,300 rupees onwards, and you can select them according to your budget, and we have also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Given a choice of a free hotel stay, which of these hotels would you like to stay in? Let us know in the comment section below. We've also provided a detailed information about how you can join the travel club, and you can view the details right here. We wish you a safe and a pleasant stay in Guwahati. Bye bye.